Can you guess what's my favorite healthy snack? It starts with a spoonful of millets, healing turmeric, and immunity boosting jaggery. Can you guess what that is?
At SBL Farms, purity begins at the wellspring. Our farm fresh in-house milk, golden turmeric, and nature's finest ingredients will nourish your body all at its pure, fresh, and wholesome form. Simmered in SBL's creamy, vitamin-rich milk, this Kheer seamlessly blends health with indulgence. It celebrates the harmonious combination of turmeric's warmth, jaggery's sweetness, enhancing its rich, creamy, and natural nourishment. Savor the sweet aromatic goodness while relishing the tradition. Every spoonful seamlessly celebrates health, taste, and heritage. Wholesome delicious with the goodness of our farm brought to your table traditionally.